2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon. A full review. What if I told you the latest 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon isn't just another heavy-duty truck? It might be the most capable off-road beast Ram has ever built. With jaw-dropping towing strength, wild design upgrades, and features you'd expect on a luxury SUV, this truck is already turning heads across the US. But here's the real shocker. It's not just about brute force. There's a twist that could change how buyers see heavy-duty pickups altogether. So, is this the ultimate power wagon, or does the competition still have the edge? The lifestyle and power of 2025 Dodge Ram. The truck world just got a serious shakeup with the arrival of the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon. Built on Ram's heavy-duty platform, the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon has always been known as the brand's off-road bruiser, a truck designed to haul, crawl, and conquer terrain that would leave most competitors stuck in the mud. But this time, Ram is pushing things even further. The brand legacy of 2025 Dodge Ram. This new model blends the toughness you'd expect from a 2500 series with upgrades that nod to comfort, technology, and daily usability. It's clearly aimed at buyers who want the raw strength of a workhorse but don't want to sacrifice refinement when the job is done. In other words, it's targeting that sweet spot between rugged adventure and modern convenience, a combination that's becoming more important than ever in today's U.S. truck market. The dual lifestyle of 2025 Dodge Ram. And make no mistake, this launch matters. With Ford's Super Duty and Chevy's Silverado HD tightening their grip on the heavy-duty segment, Ram needs the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon to stand out, not just as a tool, but as a statement. The question is, does the 2025 version deliver enough to take the crown? Stick around, because in just a moment we'll break down the design, interior, tech, performance, and everything else you need to know. The exterior showcase of 2025 Dodge Ram. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon such a headline grabber this year. From the very first glance, you know this isn't your everyday heavy-duty pickup. The stance is tall, aggressive, and unapologetically bold, with a grille that looks like it's ready to swallow the road whole. The widened fenders, skid plates, and beefy off-road tires don't just add to its looks. They scream capability before you even fire up the engine. The interior luxury of 2025 Dodge Ram. Step inside, and you'll notice Ram has gone far beyond utility. The cabin strikes a balance between rugged durability and upscale comfort. Premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an infotainment system with one of the largest touchscreens in the segment make it feel less like a work truck and more like a mobile command center. Add in features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an optional Harman Kardon audio system. And suddenly this heavy-duty beast feels just as ready for a Friday night out as it does for a weekend of trail busting. The off-road action of 2025 Dodge Ram. But the heart of the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon is still its performance. Under the hood sits a 6.4-liter HEMI V8 that cranks out an impressive 410 horsepower and 429 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a robust 8-speed automatic transmission and standard 4x4, this truck doesn't just move, it muscles through. Off-road, you've got factory-installed locking differentials, a disconnecting sway bar, and Bilstein shocks tuned for the toughest terrain. Few trucks in this class come straight from the factory with this level of off-road DNA. The towing showcase of 2025 Dodge Ram. Of course, being a heavy-duty truck, towing is where the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon also flexes. You're looking at a towing capacity north of 10,000 pounds. Plenty for boats, trailers, or adventure toys. And yet, it's not all brute force. Ram's suite of driver assist features, like adaptive cruise control, trailer sway damping, and a 360-degree camera system, make big tasks easier. Fuel economy? Well, it's powerful, so expect it to be thirsty. But with a large tank and improved efficiency, long hauls are more manageable than ever. Ram hasn't priced this truck sky high either. It's competitive against Ford's F-250 Tremor and Chevy's Silverado HD ZR2, giving buyers a real choice: brute strength and refinement with the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon, or a rival that may still edge it in some areas. The trail power of 2025 Dodge Ram. On the trail, the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon shows its true colors. That 6.4-liter HEMI doesn't just deliver numbers on paper, it delivers presence. Tap the throttle and this nearly 3-ton machine surges forward, clawing over rocks and powering through mud with confidence. Locking differentials snap into action, the sway bar disconnect gives the suspension room to breathe, and obstacles that should stop a truck this size become nothing more than bumps in the road. The highway duality of 2025. Dodge Ram. Here's the twist. While most trucks built for this level of punishment feel rough on pavement, the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon handles the highway surprisingly well. Bilstein shocks soak up imperfections, the cabin remains quiet, and the tech suite makes long drives effortless. It isn't flawless. Pushing towing limits still favors Ford or Chevy, and fuel economy is thirsty. But the driving experience is confident, composed, and fun. The big question remains: is this the new king of heavy-duty off-road trucks, or does it play second fiddle to Detroit rivals? We'll get to the verdict shortly. The side-by-side rivals of 2025 Dodge Ram. After everything we've seen, the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon is more than a facelift or refresh. It's a statement, blending serious off-road DNA with comfort and tech. Rugged looks, premium cabin, trail-ready hardware, solid towing, advanced safety, and competitive pricing make it hit all the right notes. The owner lifestyle of 2025 Dodge Ram. It's not perfect. Fuel economy remains thirsty, and buyers prioritizing max towing may still favor Ford or Chevy. But the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon isn't about winning every chart. It's about balance, personality, and a driving experience that leaves you smiling after a long day. Who is it for? Off-road enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and anyone who wants a truck that feels confident both on mountain trails and highways. If you value those traits, it should be at the top of your list. The market future symbolism of 2025 Dodge Ram. Trucks like the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon show where the U.S. market is headed, toward heavy-duty machines that are not just tools, but lifestyle vehicles reflecting their owners. Ram has raised the bar, and Ford and Chevy are watching closely. But what do you think? Is the 2025 Dodge Ram 2500 Power Wagon the new benchmark for off-road heavy-duty trucks? Or do Ford and Chevy still hold the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit that like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and comparisons coming your way.